In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a sidebar like a pro in Figma. We're going to move from a blank canvas to a polished, reusable sidebar using Figma's community. This approach saves time, teaches you best practices from other designers, and gives you a solid base you can customize to match your brand. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. If you're new to Figma, you can use it in the browser, and there's a free plan, so you won't need anything special to follow along. Once you're in, look for the community section. This is Figma's built-in library of public files, templates, and UI kits shared by designers around the world. Click into community to start exploring. In the community search bar, type the word sidebar and hit enter. You'll see a variety of sidebar patterns for dashboards, web apps, and mobile. If you want to narrow things down, you can filter for files to focus on templates you can duplicate. Take a moment to scan the previews and descriptions so you pick something aligned with your style and use case. When you find a template you like, open it from the results. You'll typically see a preview page that outlines what's included. Look for signs of quality like auto layout usage, clear layer naming, components, and variants for active or hover states. Then click Open in Figma. This will add a copy to your workspace so you can edit it freely without touching the original. Inside the file, locate the sidebar you want to use. Select the top level frame or component for the sidebar, not just an inner icon or label. Copy it using your standard shortcut. This ensures you bring along the correct constraints, padding, and structure. Now switch to your own project file and paste it onto your canvas. Position it along the left and check the layout grid or frame size you're working with so everything aligns neatly. If the sidebar is a component, consider keeping the main component intact and placing an instance on your screen to make future updates easier. Finally, customize it. Update colors to match your brand, swap icons, and rename menu labels. Use the right panel to adjust auto layout spacing, padding, and alignment. If the template includes variants for active or hover states, set those for the current page. Tweak typography, so font sizes and weights match your design system, and revisit corner, radii, shadows, and dividers to get the exact look you want. When you're happy, name the component clearly so your team can reuse it. And that's it. Fast, consistent, and professional. Explore more community files for inspiration and keep refining your sidebar as your product evolves.